Hi students, intermediate, first year, English medium. Dear students, we are discussing the third unit, namely demand analysis. So in the demand analysis, in this video, I am going to analyze the income demand. What is the income demand? How can we explain the income demand that is analyzed in this video? See here, income demand. Let me explain. dx function of px, p1, p2, y, t. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. These are all called factors. The four are called factors, and this is called demand. One, two, three, four are called factors, and dx is called demand. Here, what is the relationship in between demand and demand factors is called a demand function. So already we discussed in the previous videos. So what is the relationship in between price and demand? D means demand. Demand means how many goods if a consumer is ready to purchase of X good or X commodity. And P means price of X commodity. What is the relationship in between price and demand? Which means it is the first one is price demand. The first one is price demand. Already price demand completed. Price demand completed. First one over. After complete of the first one, we are going to analyze the y and dx. So y, income, d, demand, income, demand. This is the income demand. We are discussing the income demand. Y means income, d means demand. So you observe carefully, when we analyze these two factors, the remaining factors should be keep. Then only we can analyze the y function of dx. Let me analyze dx function of y. Dx function of y. When it will be possible, only the relationship between income and demand. So when the remaining factors keep constant. Which factors keep constant? Px, p1, p2, t. 1, 2, 4. When these factors keep constant, we are discussing in between dx and y. Okay. So dx means demand of X commodity, y income of the consumer. So income demand. So the income demand can be analyzed with two ways. One is superior goods. Second, inferior goods. One is superior goods. Second one is inferior goods. What is the superior goods? Superior goods means quality goods, durable goods. We can use again and again. Such are called quality goods, superior goods. Suppose income of the consumer, income increases, so demand for superior goods also increases. First one. Then income decreases, demand for superior goods decreases. This is second one. How sir? How can it can be applicable? Which means if the income of the consumer increases, the income increases. When the income increases, you are interested to purchase of superior goods only. Quality goods. When you are interested to purchase of superior goods, when your income is very high. నీకు డబ్బులు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే మంచి వస్తువులు కొనాలనుకుంటా. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మంచి వస్తువులు అంటే సుపీరియర్ గూడ్స్. ఇన్కమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కన్సూమర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, డిమాండ్ ఫర్ సుపీరియర్ గూడ్స్ ఆల్సో ఇంక్రీజెస్. ఇట్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. వెన్ ద ఇన్కమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కన్సూమర్ డిక్రీజెస్, డబ్బులు లేవు, అప్పుడు ఏం కొంటావు? సుపీరియర్ గూడ్స్ తగ్గిస్తాం. ఓకే, సో these are the two equations. Try to understand. First of all, superior. Let me complete superior, then after inferior. Superior, same line. Income, then demand for superior goods. Okay. For example, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, then 4,000, then 5,000. Here income is 1,000. The demand of the commodities are 10. If the income of the consumer increases, the demand also increases for superior goods 30, 40, 50. What is here? Income increases. Demand for superior goods also increases. నీకు డబ్బులు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మంచి వస్తువులు కొంటావు. నీకు డబ్బులు తక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ డిమాండ్ అంటే కొనడం. ఏంటిది? సుపీరియర్ గూడ్స్ ఏం చేస్తావు? తగ్గిస్తావు. ఓకే, అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ టేబుల్ మనము డయాగ్రామ్ గీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే రెండు పాజిటివ్గా ఉండాలి. So this is a demand curve. Here demand for superior goods. Here income, this axis is present. See here, income increases, demand increases. Income increases, income, this axis. Demand also increases. Income increases, demand increases. Income increases, demand increases. Due to the demand curve slope is positive. The demand curve slope is positive. For the superior goods, the demand curve slope is positive. What is the positive? Means upwards from left to right. It is an upwards slope. Upwards from left to right is called positive. Okay? So, for the superior goods, the demand curve slope is positive. One hand. And another hand is inferior goods. For the inferior goods, see here, income increases, demand for inferior goods. ఇన్కమ్ ఎక్కువైందండి, ఇన్ఫీరియర్ గూడ్స్ ఏం చేస్తాడు? తగ్గిస్తాడు. ఓకే, దెన్ ఇన్కమ్ decreases, demand for inferior goods increases. This is the first statement and this is the second statement. వాడికి ఆదాయం ఎక్కువ ఉంది, అప్పుడు ఇన్ఫీరియర్ గూడ్స్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? తక్కువ చేసి సుపీరియర్ కొంటాడు. ఇన్కమ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే, లేదు ఇన్కమ్ తక్కువ ఉంది అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు డిమాండ్ ఫర్ సుపీరియర్ గూడ్స్, ఇన్ఫీరియర్ గూడ్స్, ఐ మీన్స్ ఇన్ఫీరియర్ గూడ్స్ పెంచుతాం. Okay, so according to this equations, we can draw the diagram. Same numbers, income, demand for inferior goods. Then income is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Here is also 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Suppose the income is very low, he is interested to purchase of inferior goods only. When the income increases, the inferior goods he is not interested to purchase of inferior. డబ్బులు ఎక్కువైతే ఈ వస్తువు తక్కువ కొంటాడండి అంతే. Okay, according to this schedule we can draw a diagram. That is this is a demand curve. Here what is income, here demand for inferior goods, then the demand curve slope is this is okay. What is the demand curve slope is negative. The demand curve slope is negative. Negative means it is a downwards. It is a downwards from left to right, left hand to right hand. Downwards from left hand to right hand is called negative. Here is also positive. This is also starts from left to right. This is also starts from left to right. But it is a downwards. It is a downwards. It is a upwards. Upwards from left to right positive. Downwards from left to right is called negative. Okay. So this is the explanation of income demand. One is a superior good. Another one is inferior good. For the superior goods, the demand curve slope is positive. For the inferior goods, the demand curve slope is negative. Okay, students, this is the way of the presentation. So, thank you.